In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable dark mode on Facebook Android. If you've been browsing Facebook at night or in low light and the bright interface feels a bit harsh, switching to dark mode can make a big difference. It gives the app a darker background, which many people find easier on the eyes, and it can help conserve battery on devices with OLED screens. Start by opening the Facebook app on your Android device. Make sure you're on the home screen of the app so everything is easy to find. Once you're in, look for the menu icon. This is the button with 3 horizontal lines, sometimes called the hamburger icon. On many Android devices, you'll see it near the top of the screen. Go ahead and tap those 3 lines to open the main menu. Inside the menu, you'll find a long list of options and shortcuts. What we're looking for is Settings and Privacy. Tap on Settings and Privacy to expand that section, and then tap on Settings. This will take you to the full settings page where you can control most of your Facebook preferences. Now scroll down the settings page until you see the option labeled dark mode. It may appear under a section related to preferences or accessibility depending on your app version, but it will be clearly labeled dark mode. Tap on dark mode to open the dark mode settings. Here you'll see the choices for how Facebook displays its theme. To enable dark mode, simply select on. As soon as you choose on, the app's interface will switch to a darker look. You'll notice backgrounds become dark gray or black and text adjusts to remain readable. This change applies across the app and it should make nighttime scrolling much more comfortable. If you ever want to go back to the original look later, you can come right back to the same dark mode setting and change it again. That's all there is to it. Quick, simple, and effective. Opening the Facebook app, tapping the 3-line menu, going to Settings and Privacy, then Settings, scrolling to dark mode, and turning it on is all you need to do. Take a moment to browse around and make sure the new theme feels good to you. Many users prefer it for both comfort and aesthetics. And that's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more Facebook tips and tutorials.